Parul. I will start up for this company is 2023 is new venture for this company. We will supply that coding machine, inject coding machine. We will manufacturing for stackers and conveyor belts. We will supply all inject printers and TTO printers, CIJ printers. This is the Mumbai-based company. We will participate in South Pack in first time. We will participate already in Delhi South Pack exhibitions. It's nice and hope so कि we will touch with 2024 in participate in. Actually, because of his printing quality is very good. Is and secondly is the price also is very compatibility to other product to our products is very compatibility to for the customer profit in the year. I want to say कि bigger but definitely is to 23
If any
motto because I had in motto is because of that ki now is we will introduce to the youngster because everybody is want to the new venture. If we will see that new company, maybe in future somebody is saying ki we want, so we will definitely ki promote and new launch also is future.